is a semicircular cluster which comprises of 4 towers. This phase was launched almost 2 years back, and we can very proudly announce that is going to be delivered almost 7 to 8 months before the stipulated schedule time. So we are running almost 8 months ahead of our construction schedule. So as I mentioned earlier as well, this entire development is being done by Shapoorji Pallonji Engineering Construction Company, and we are doing it ourselves. That's why the construction pace is relatively fast than the nearby developers. So very first phase had got 4 towers. So first 2 towers were typical 3 BHK towers, and the other 2 towers are exclusive 2 BHK towers here. So in our development, it's not a regular mixed configuration coming in. We developed 3 BHK towers separately and 2 BHK towers all by separate entities. On the right side, there was the extension of the project again into the second phase. So this is again a combination of 5 towers here, which is called Grandis, Crescendo, Alpine, Sierra, and an iconic 4 BHK tower in the center of the project. So 4 BHK stands all sold out as of today because it was launched almost 16 months back. So it was an iconic development in the center, which comprises almost 92 apartments. So we have sold them slowly, steadily in last 15 odd months, and we have recently opened some new towers under 2 BHK and 3 BHK configurations. Coming to the center of the project again, this white pillar structure you're seeing is a 24,000 square feet clubhouse. So this clubhouse is also being built across 3 levels. So this clubhouse will have a gymnasium coming in, 3 swimming pools coming into the complex again. This will have almost a 150 seater capacity multi-purpose party hall, and this will have an indoor squash court coming in for any squash lovers as a sport. Besides this, we do have one more indoor games parlor which will have in-house snooker, table tennis, chess, carom, a playing cards room for any people who are fond of playing cards, especially during the festival time. Besides this, we have a rooftop yoga deck and aerobics room here, which is going to serve the people who are generally enthusiasts of working out in the mornings. And besides this, we are creating some pocket amenity spaces right below the towers. We are creating some pocket amenity spaces in the center of the complex again. So 3 different clusters have got 3 different set of pocket amenity spaces. So we have tried to serve the people in a manner that their living or their style of living gets easily elevated in the longer run. So we are providing co-working spaces right beneath your tower on the ground floor. Then we are developing separate kids play areas, senior citizen areas again on the ground floor. And lastly, we are developing indoor games room right beneath your tower again. So if at all at times we feel lazy of probably walking right towards the clubhouse and we want to work out in the morning, we can enjoy the open air gym right below our tower again on the ground level. And since co-working spaces are in, most of the people are bound to work from home. Many people do enjoy it. So if at all in the future you have to work from home, you can always use the co-working space because it is being designed again for the residents. And kids play area and senior citizen area also come right beneath the tower. So that way, if at all we have kids around who, since we may be busy at work and kids want to play out in the gardens, you can always, instead of them probably walking around, roaming around the entire complex, they can take the elevator to the ground floor and enjoy the kids play area over there. So all these amenities I mentioned, they cover almost 40,000 square feet area into the amenities again. So in the entire complex, you have 3 co-working spaces. Then besides this, 3 indoor games parlor which are again part of the respective phases here. So clubhouse plus the pocket amenity spaces put together, that makes it almost 64,000 square feet area under the amenities. And this is one of the most areas which is being designed by a developer under the amenities. Generally developers develop almost 15 to 18,000 square feet area of clubhouse. So this is going to be a combination of the central clubhouse amenities plus the amenities spread throughout the entire complex for us in the long run. Lastly, we have one more point which is again a key highlight which will probably excite the home buyers or maybe the viewers. This particular community is going to be completely air pollution free. First of all, location wise, we are almost a kilometer inside Dwarka Expressway. So we are almost 2 minutes walk away. Same time, we are slightly better off in terms of the pollution aspects. Because since it's a national highway, so you do expect air and noise pollution coming in the future. So that way, first of all, we are slightly a kilometer inside. Secondly, we are going to install almost 70 outdoor air purifier machines inside our complex. So maybe the kids play areas, our common garden areas, our jogging, walking tracks, plus the open service areas into the complex, they are going to be all under the radar of these 70 air purifiers which will run 24 hours and will help maybe the elders and the kids back home to lead and probably breathe completely non-polluted air in the long run. So it helps you keeping a check on your health as well, and helps you probably to spend maximum time being outdoors closer to nature at the same time.
Okay.
One last point I would like to highlight, you'll have to walk towards this side. So these are the two towers which we have launched recently. So one of them is called AIM, other is called Iris. So AIM is a typical 2 BHK tower. So this is the last development under 2 BHK configuration by Shapoorji Pallonji. And since 102 sector, Joyville by Shapoorji Pallonji is the only project which has some 2 BHK offerings. Otherwise, most of the projects in the nearby vicinity, none of the developers have developed any 2 BHKs. Most of the combinations you'll see is either 3 BHK, 4 BHK, villas or penthouses.
Okay.
So someone probably who wants to park like 70-75 lakh rupees under a 2 BHK for next 3-4 years, Shapoorji Pallonji is the right destination for you, because we have smaller 2 BHK apartments price range of 70-75 lakhs. We do have bigger 2 BHK apartments, almost 1200 square feet in size, which will fall in a price bracket close to 95 to 97 lakh, all inclusive. This is
all
what I'm
inclusive.
mentioning.
Okay.
So the only overhead above this will be the registry cost as of now.
Okay.
Rest maybe the apartment cost, car parking, club membership amenity I just covered. GST in our case payable to government is 5%, that is also covered in this particular cost. And these are going to be completely air conditioned apartments which come fitted with modular kitchen as well.
Okay.
So this tower I mentioned, AIM, is the last 2 BHK tower by Shapoorji Pallonji. After this we don't have any further 2 BHK towers or units coming in. And the next tower to it is called Iris. It is a typical 3 BHK towers. So the best thing about these two towers is, first of all, these are typical low-rise structures. So the height of these two towers is only 14 floors. So these two towers are typical only 14 floors high, whereas the towers in the earlier phases were either 20 or 26 floors high.
Okay.
So in this case, it's going to be only almost 75 to 80 families staying in. That makes it even much more convenient, because the density of the building is even reduced to half. The elder tower is almost 150 apartments. This is almost 80 units. Secondly, these two towers do enjoy the access from this road, which is going to be 24 meter sector road. So this 24 meter sector road runs parallel to 60 meter sector road, and you can enjoy the access into the community from this point. And both the sides of the tower has got an entry ramp to the basement as well as the exit ramp. So maybe if suppose you are entering into the project from this side in the future, you can take the internal road and drive down the basement -1 and drive below your tower and park your vehicle right beneath and take the elevator to your respective floor. So from the entry aspect, you are even closer to the sector road from this side. And even talking of sports amenities, this here in the corner is going to be a cricket pitch coming in, which we are developing. And right next to the AIM tower, this is a multi-purpose games activity court. It's going to be a combination of basketball, lawn tennis court coming in. Then on the other side of the garden area, that's again a bluish color multi-purpose games activity court coming in, same size. And again combination of badminton and basketball court. Then in the center is a red color garden called Coral Court. This is going to be almost 1.25 acres in size.
1.25 acres.
Yes. So this garden area, most of the apartments in these two towers shall be facing towards either towards Coral Court, otherwise towards BPDP Amstoria.
Okay.
So in our case, either the apartments open towards the central garden, pool or the clubhouse. Otherwise, they'll oversee Amstoria, which is again a low-rise township as I mentioned earlier. So if someone's staying on 4th floor, 5th floor and above in Joyville and facing towards Amstoria, can always enjoy a beautiful skyline in the future, because Amstoria can never obstruct your view since it's going to be completely on the lower side.
Low-rise building.
Yes. And coming back to the amenities again, this in the center is an amphitheater space. So this amphitheater space is going to be a sort of a socio-cultural activity area in the future. So maybe holy function, Durga Puja, Dashara Mela, like religious gatherings can be organized in the future here. Then it's a maze garden, which is generally called a Bhul Bhulaiya garden for the kids to enjoy the leisure times playing around. Besides this, we have got two cricket pitches in the project. So one is a part of phase 1, other is a part of phase 2. Besides this, as I mentioned, the multi-purpose games activity courts are going to be 2 again. Then in the center of the complex is again a skating ring coming in. So the outdoor sports amenities are also spread throughout the entire complex. And summing it up, lastly, 2 points I'll highlight. First is all these apartments are going to be Jio Wi-Fi enabled homes. So we are in all the buildings we are going to install Jio Gigafiber cabling. So you need not put any separate wiring for any DTH connection, Wi-Fi landing connection, etc. All the internal cabling and conduiting shall be done by us. And secondly, we are going to install Jio Wi-Fi routers inside the apartments. So from the safety aspect, you have a video phone coming in. Then you have panic alarm button provision inside the house. Then a provision of fire detectors as well as gas leakage detectors. So being head of the family, maybe at times you are out for work, you are out of town, maybe for some work, maybe out for leisure travel, maybe somewhere abroad. So you will have a check on anyone who is coming or visiting your apartment in your absence. You can always have a check on it. Panic alarm buttons, fire gas leakage detectors also working very handy. God forbid if there is anyone at home, there is any gas leakage or fire leakage, or maybe someone at home requires some medical attention. So you always get an alert on your app whenever there is any medical emergency back home.
Okay.
So all these amenities are again going to have a much more safer and sustainable living for you and your family when you decide to move in Joyville in the future.
Okay. Thank you, Atif ji. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Okay. Thank you for watching. Nice. This Sapurji, this apartment, one of his kinds, and the brand name of Sapurji is Poise.